guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the metal pipe in Monkey's Realm. So, it's, which one is it?
Okay, what's this map?
Yeah, it's a metal pipe. It's somewhere across here. You have to like scroll and find it, but yeah. Alright, first follow me. You gotta go up here, and then over here. And then here, you gotta go up this pipe.
Go equip a mod power. I have gravity.
There's a chest.
Yeah, no, I'm not fine.
And you got a metal pipe.
That's not gonna work. No. Pick a power and he's sleeping. Okay, Black. I want a banana. Black.
Oh, you're good. Come on.
Did you pick a power you want to test out? Choose my outfit. Now to test it out, what you want to do is you want to come over here.
And it's somewhere across here. Bye, guys.
I don't have